Hello everyone, today we will test the speed on the Evo 2 series. So let's fly. So now our drone is at there. We now test the speed limit 18 km per hour as I said. So let's go. So you can see at the top, it now is 18 km per hour. The speed as I said. So okay, now we already tested the 18 km per hour. Now we select to 36 km per hour. So let's go. You can see the speed at the top. Now it's 36 km per hour. Okay, so now we test the speed mode, Ludicrous. So when you on the speed mode, Ludicrous mode, the obstacle avoidance will be turned off. And now you can see the speed limit, the obstacle avoidance is already off. So the maximum speed have two options. 44 km per hour or 72 the maximum speed. Now we test the 54 km per hour. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, the maximum speed now is 55 km per hour. So now let's change the speed limit to 72 km per hour, the maximum speed on the Evo 2. So this is how our speed test. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Through the back door.